Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to insert hyperlink in Google Chat text message. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To insert hyperlink in Google Chat text message, open your browser and go to Google Chat and then select your chat friend name on menu bar on left corner, then click on formatting option icon. You will find an option here, insert link. Click on insert link, and here the first option, display text. I am typing the text, system admin, and the link. I am going to type my IT system admin website link here and then click on apply, and look, the link is showing here. Now click to send. Look, the message has been sent and it contains the hyperlink. Just click on the link and it will open the website. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.